trying to run but can't because I'm stealing it. She feeling it, she loving it, she feeling it. We wasn't deep at first, but now we got our feelings in.
Hey guys, it's Kim here. Oh my god, everybody wants to text me now. Anyways, today I'm coming to you with an edges video. Okay, first of all, let me say I took a nap because I went to sleep at 3 something, woke up at 5. I've been a very emotional person. I've been crying all night. I woke up crying. I don't know, I don't know. So anyways, this was a requested video because people want to know how I do my edges. I'm gonna show you 2 ways I do my edges. I'm gonna show you the way when, you know, one of my videos I did like a ponytail and like I do my edges this way, and then I do a bun and do my edges like this. So I'm gonna show you both. And I'm gonna do my hair in a bun today, so I'm gonna start off with the one over here. So my hair is a mess. Welcome to the life of having curls. It looks like this after like 4 days. Okay, I dragged it. It's been like 3. It's probably been 2. I think it's been 3. Anyways, so we're gonna use a toothbrush. You're gonna part it where you normally put part like this thing where you do it. Okay, so this is how I would normally part it, and then you do this, you know, like. Okay, so we're gonna grab gel. I use Ego Styler, you know. We're gonna grab this toothbrush. I used the comb in the video. You don't need the comb, but like it would help. But I lost that comb, so don't know what that is. We're gonna grab it and then put it here, right? And then you're gonna find it, and then you're gonna do a little scoop, like a little C, and then put it back. You see? So it looks like this. And then you're gonna do that all over, and again, and again, and again, and then you're gonna go back, and you're gonna try to do a line right there. This is where the comb would have came in handy. You could have made a line, but no, I don't really have a comb right now, so yeah. So you're gonna do a line, right, like this, and then you hold that, and then push this down with that hair under it. I don't even like it. Like this, right? My mom just came in with watermelon. I love watermelon. So we put gel on your toothbrush again. Oh my god. And then you're gonna do the same thing you did. Oh my god. The same thing you did on the top, you're gonna to the bottom. Look at my hat. Bitch. Anyways, so we're gonna do that, and you're gonna go like that, okay? So, I honestly don't know how to do this. I just do it. You're gonna do that again. Then you're gonna brush this down. You put this again. Okay, see, it's like this, but I like it so that there's a line, like you can see a line. It would be way better with a comb. Okay, so if you get a comb to do it, you're gonna also need to let it dry, okay? Cause if it's wet, it's gonna keep on shifting. I don't know. That is basically how you do it. And then, you know, if you had a comb, you could like, okay, let's say this is part of it, the toothbrush is a comb. You're gonna use that, and you're gonna make literally a line like that. See, there's like a line, and then there's a hair under it. So whatever hair's under, you're gonna brush it down like that, and then boom. That's how you do that edge, and then, you know, you like push it down, and then it's gonna look like this. That's how you do that one. Brush this. Oh, my earring. Guys, if you saw my natural baby hairs, it's like so long, and I hate it because I can't use them because then it's gonna look like I did this. So with the few little bit of water I have left in here, we're just gonna spray like the edges. I have a really big head, and I think I say this in every video. I think I do. You know, one day when I have enough videos, I'm gonna just take a clip from each video where I say I have a really big head. You see this curl? Make my head look bigger. You know what I hate? When you try to make a bun, like let's say you did a bun like in the night or like before the shower and it looks so nice, and then you try to recreate it again and it just looks horrible. That's probably what's gonna happen right now. I don't like it. I don't like the bun at all. I really cried. I have mascara on. I'm gonna try and edit this before Saturday, which is her birthday, so you guys can like go sing happy birthday or whatever. Happy birthday, bitch, I love you. If you're watching this. She's probably not. I don't think she watches my videos, honestly. Like, to be honest, I don't think she watches my videos. I'm gonna cry. Guys, my eyes are swollen and red. How cute, right? I don't think people in my school watch my videos either, see? I have nails and burrs. You know, one of the reasons why I made a YouTube is because, like, I love watching people that, like, have fans and then their fans, like, make videos for them. That's so cute. I'm probably never gonna get there because I can never get anywhere in life. It's okay to try. We're gonna stick with this and deal with this. Literally, my patience is up to here. Wait. I don't know if it's supposed to be higher though. It's like I had no patience, so I don't know if it's supposed to be up here or down here. After your bun looks stupid, we're gonna do our edges. Handy dandy toothbrush. And I have a widow's peak. So I don't know if this works for people that don't have a widow's peak, like if they have it too. So because I have a widow's peak, I could use this part of it. So you do this, right? And then I do a swoop. Right? And you make it smaller. Because see, and then you're gonna fix it though, because like this is not working out. Boom. That's your first stinky swoop. Ta-da! Then we're gonna do it again, you know, put gel on your toothbrush. I don't put a lot. I just put like, I put it on here and then do this, and then I put it on like this so you can break it. And my nephew's up. Now, we're gonna grab it, do this, and then swoop. I really don't like them. Because like today my hair is not working out, like I'm not in the mood, and then it's working out for me, and it's just like I want to cry, but I won't. So boom, I guess it's whatever. We're gonna do it again. It looks like I had no baby hair, so you're gonna brush that down too. See, right there. And then see, with that. I'm gonna do this to this side, except with this thingy. This is the middle of my head, kind of. Ooh, see? So you got that. And now we're gonna do it again right here. See? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't know, I want to kind of do like the little, okay, right here we're gonna do this, right? We're gonna See, make it like that. And then, wait, because there's like a lot of hair. See, and then we're gonna do like a little, wait, that came out so wrong. See, and then you're gonna flatten this out. There we go. Like that. I'm gonna fix this right here. See? Now we're gonna do that to the side. This one's not gonna come out right. I don't really know what to do. This one doesn't have that much hair on it. This one just needs like this. This one's just cute. Say hi. Say hi. Hi guys. And so guys, that's basically the video. Look. Anyways, thanks guys, thanks for watching. I bet she's going through some stuff. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked it because this was requested. And I don't know, tell me what other videos to do because I really don't know what to do with my channel anymore. I don't know. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Subscribe to me and Julia's channel because there will be a video too. The link will be down below. Bye!